How to profit on the gold market from the US production weaknesses and rising geopolitical tensions and trade deals. Hey guys, I'm Steve, our trend forward. Today I'll be discussing how we are approaching our trades on our premium golds and how we are making money on yesterday's trades. So over the past few weeks, we've already been seeing that gold has already been moving on a sideways between 3,280 towards 3,360 and hasn't been moving much. And suddenly last night we see that gold prices jumped by 2.8%, a total of $100 of a move. And the main reason is we are started to see that the US production manufacturing sector is also weakening as the impact of the tariff has already been affected by that. And also we see that trade deals are still on negotiations and haven't been finding a big breakthrough. And also we started to see that peace talks between Russia and Ukraine also started break out, and we started to see that Russia and Ukraine have started to attack each other again since Monday. So as a result, we started to see gold has been rising and touching the highs at 3,380, and we managed to make a 300 pips on one single trade. And not only on gold, we also make some good trades on silver. So if you guys are interested to get those premium trading signals for free, you guys could scan the barcode up there. And you guys, if wanted to find more analysis about the market, especially on gold, where I'm expecting that prices should be able to have some limited upsides, maybe towards 3,400. And if you guys wanted to get more analysis than gold, you guys are welcome to join my live streaming sessions on YouTube and TikTok, 6:30 to 8 p.m. Singapore Bangkok time. See you guys there.